Hello, today on Hot Tubs in a Nutshell, I'd like to show you how to use the SmartTub app so you can do things like, Alexa, start my massage. So today we're going to talk about SmartTub. What SmartTub is it's an app that you can control your hot tub, either using Apple or Android devices. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to discover different parts about hot tub usage. It gives you hot tub instructions. You can view any of the energy that you're using. You can do that daily, weekly, monthly. You can do adjusting of the key elements of it. It would be like the hot tub jets, the lights, pretty much everything in the hot tub. Set it, any kind of setting. Another cool feature of SmartTub is you can control your hot tub using the cell towers. And what that means to you is you don't have to rely on your wireless router to do it. Because if your power goes out, so goes your wireless router. What SmartTub uses is they use the cell towers, which rarely go out. It'll alert you and it'll alert us if you have any issues with your tub. That way we can come out and correct it before you even have the problem. So, in a nutshell, what SmartTub is it allows you to control all the features of your hot tub remotely. Thanks for watching.